Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Teef from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with the shape of his head with a semi-oval shape. Right there. On the left side, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line out, semicircle turn back in, and continue the line of his head with a curve line downwards. And at that lower point, I'm going to draw some dripping shape. So I'm going to draw a curve line down, semicircle turn back upwards, curve it to the right, and semicircle turn up, sharp turn back down at that corner, semicircle turn back up, semicircle turn to the right, and semicircle turn up, sharp turn back down, and I'm gonna mirror the same line at that corner, extend it slightly lower, turn it slightly to the left, curve it downwards, and semicircle turn back upwards, and I'm gonna trace the same line back upwards. And at this upper point, I'm going to draw a curved line to the right, turn it to the left, turn it sideways to the right, and at the right corner, I'm going to draw a curved line to the right, sharp turn downwards, semicircle turn at the tip, and turn it back upwards right there. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna take this point in the middle of his head and draw a curved line across. And from the sides, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards, across in the middle point, and turn it back diagonally up on the right side. Now for his teeth, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape in the middle point right there. And for the other teeth, we're gonna make it randomly placed, and I'm gonna make some tilted and some are short and some are long, like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the lower teeth as well. Below the head in the middle point, I'm gonna take this point on the left and draw a line downwards, semicircle turn sideways to the right, and semicircle turn back upwards. And inside of that, on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line at that corner, turn it upwards, semicircle turn sideways to the left. And below that shape, I'm gonna take this point at the side on the left and draw a line downwards, semicircle turn to the right, semicircle turn back upwards. Trace the same line again at this inner corner. And above of that shape, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at this corner. Now from the side of his neck, I'm gonna draw a line out, turn it downwards, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. And for the shoulders, a curved line out. Below that, semicircle turn at the side downwards, another curved line below that to the elbow point. And for the inner line, a similar curved line diagonally down, another curved line below the elbow point, turn it outwards and inwards towards the wrist. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the arm. For the thumb, diagonal line outwards, semicircle turn down, semicircle turn upwards at the tip, and turn it to the right. Diagonal line downwards to the other finger and turn it downwards, semicircle turn at the tip back upwards, and copy the same shape of the fingers on the right side. At the side here, I'm going to turn it upwards to the wrist. On the left side of that arm, I'm going to draw his waist with a diagonal curve line inwards, turn it downwards, and back slightly out below the waist right there. And for the left side of the outfit, I'm going to take this point and draw a line down, turn it slightly inwards towards the waist, and back slightly out below the waist to his knee point. In the middle point of his legs, I'm going to draw a curved line across. Off center from that middle line, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, slightly inwards towards the knee point and back outwards. Semicircle turn at that corner, across to the right, semicircle turn back upwards. Now I'm going to copy the same shape for the left leg right here as well. Below that, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at this outer corner right there, and inside of that I'm going to draw an X like that. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a line down, and from the upper ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the back, and I'm going to do the same thing for this lower ending point. A line down at the back right there, and above the strap, I'm going to draw a curved line up, and below the strap, a line across to the front. Below that, I'm going to draw a curved line across, and another curved line across at this lower point. An oval shape on the left side below that, and another one inside of that. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line down and a line sideways to the front. Below that oval shape, I'm going to draw a line down and another oval shape at this corner, a line sideways from the upper point and the lower point of that oval shape, and a curved line across on the right side. Continue the line on the left downwards, across to the right, and turn it upwards at this inner corner. From the back, I'm going to draw a line downwards and a curved line to the front. Below that, I'm going to draw a line at the back, and below that, I'm going to draw a line across, downwards, and across back to the left. And for his feet, on the left, I'm going to draw a line down at that corner, diagonal turn to the left and downwards, sharp turn to the right, and turn it back upwards right there. Now for his right leg, I'm going to draw from the side a diagonal line, across, diagonal line back up. Copy that same set of line again at this lower point, and slightly below that another one, and another one at this lower point. From the top set of line at the side, I'm going to draw a line downwards, sideways, downwards, and I'm going to do the same thing on the right side, downwards, sideways, and downwards. A line down in the middle point at that corner and on the right side. Below that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape, and I'm going to draw an X symbol in the middle of that shape. At the side above, I'm going to draw a line upwards on both the left and right. And at the side of that, a curved line downwards, turn it diagonally down to the middle point. Curved line across in the middle point, and mirror the same shape on the right side right there. A line upwards from the lower point below on both the left and right. And below that, I'm going to draw a line down, and I'm going to draw another similar line on the right side, turn it diagonally out to the right, and sharp turn across to the left. Now I'm gonna go back to the top part and draw his left arm with a similar shape for the upper part. Right there. And for his glove, I'm gonna draw across a curved line at that corner. Turn it downwards at the sides and inwards to the wrist. Curved line across at the wrist right there. Now below the wrist on the right, I'm gonna draw his thumb with a curved line downwards. Semicircular turn at the tip, back up. Diagonal turn to the left, downwards. Diagonal turn to the right. Semicircular turn at the tip, back diagonally up and upwards. Copy the same shape for the other fingers on the left side right there. And at the side here, I'm gonna turn it diagonally back up towards the wrist. On each fingers, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. And on the thumb. And at the outer corner of his gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that point. Now for the symbol in his gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a line upwards at that middle point, across to the right, turn it downwards, sideways to the left, upwards, sideways to the left, downwards, and sideways to the left. At this inner corner, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape. And below that, a rectangular shape at that corner. Another bigger rectangular shape below that with a smaller rectangular shape inside of that. Now on his right arm, I'm gonna draw some slimes with a circular shape at that corner, and below that an arch shape. Extend it downwards on both sides, curve it to the left at its lower point, semicircular turn back to the right, diagonal turn back upwards at this outer corner. Below the elbow point at this outer corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line inwards, turn it upwards, continue that line all the way back to the side of his shoulder, semicircular turn to the left and downwards, extend it all the way down to his thigh and turn it slightly to the right and turn it to the right. On the left side, I'm going to copy the same shape. Right there. Now for the stripe pattern on his outfit, I'm going to draw from the side of his head on the right a diagonal curved line across to the shoulder and another similar curved line below that, and turn it upwards at the side of the collar right there. And I'm gonna copy that same stripe at its lower point and across from the left shoulder right here and from the left arm below that. And I'm gonna continue across to this lower point all the way to the legs. Now for the legs, we're gonna draw a curved line across from the inner corner to the outer corner all the way downwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right here. On his arms, curved line across, and on his right arms as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!